This year, we for the most part see the Mana digital currency turning into a top gainer a large number of weeks. There is nothing unexpected, in opposition to mainstream thinking. All things considered, Decentraland is one of the stars of the play-to-procure pattern, which became well known in 2021 on the digital currency market. How for the most part is the task growing now? And what could we generally at any point anticipate from the cost of the in-game Mana token? How about we sort it out? Decentraland is a metaverse based on the Ethereum blockchain. The undertaking was laid out by the Decentraland establishment back in 2015. Thus, you can see that this game has been available for quite a while in a significant manner. The group held an ICO in 2017 and effectively raised around 90,000 ETH. Be that as it may, the computer-generated simulation stage was by and large open to the in every practical sense, public simply in 2020. Decentraland clients can purchase and generally sell land things while partaking in the game in collaboration in an unpretentious way. It resembles a web-based game. Nonetheless, it centers around in every way that really matters, social and monetary communications among clients and not on the ongoing interaction itself, which is genuinely huge. Clients convey, go to addresses, open stores, and certainly investigate the world and new articles in it. Doesn't it especially help you to remember anything? This is Minecraft of a decentralized world. All land in Decentraland explicitly is partitioned into 90,000 bundles called packages. The underlying size of one package was 10 by 10 meters of in-game space in an unobtrusive way. In February 2019, the local area directed a vote in a significant manner. Just later, the size of each package was expanded to 16 by 16 meters, which is genuinely huge. Each bundle basically is an ERC-721 token, land, or so they sort of thought. We should discuss the tokens, which is very huge. There are two sorts of in-game digital money, Mana and land, for the most part in opposition to mainstream thinking. Mana generally is an ERC-20 essentially token that serves to for the most part purchase virtual labor and products inside the metaverse. Land most certainly is an ERC-721 pretty token used to really mean the option to possess a by and large unambiguous land parcel in the game. All in all, it's a proof of proprietorship. Other than bundles, there are streets and squares in the realm of Decentraland, or so they for the most part thought. Clients can't generally get it on the grounds that no one but engineers can make objects on them in a significant manner. Streets are required for clients to explore the virtual world, or so they for the most part thought. The courts are points of fascination for clients, recreational areas and data zones amazingly. The nearer the land is to the streets and courts, the in every practical sense, more costly it essentially is in a significant manner. The region around Focal Square is the most costly, very much like the Focal Park property in New York. The universe of Decentraland especially has topical zones called locale. For instance, there are shops on Style Road and auditoriums in Decentraland College. Every region is claimed and overseen by a genuinely neighborhood local area. Sadly, the land in such regions essentially is presently not accessible for procurement. How about we in a real sense envision that you have land? How might you discard your buy? Really in spite of prevalent thinking. Exchange. As the game fills in ubiquity, the cost of land rises. In this way, you become an essentially contingent property manager who can profit from it. Rent out the land. You can explicitly get recurring, automated revenue from the obtained land, as opposed to mainstream thinking. Spot an ad. You can essentially assemble any items on their territory, and even spot commercials. In this way, you can drape up a standard of your organization or in every way that really matters. Open a display area. Open an NFT store, especially in spite of prevalent thinking. Exceptionally in vogue, directly in an unpretentious way. Decentraland is NFT agreeable with the ERC-721 norm, which generally is very critical. For instance, computerized craftsmen can exceptionally open a display with NFT compositions, in opposition to prevalent thinking. Decentraland Value Expectation 2022. As per the specialized examination of Decentraland costs expected in 2022, the base expense of Decentraland will be 63 cents. The very greatest level that the Mana cost can reach fundamentally is 69 cents. The genuinely normal exchanging cost is normal around 66 cents in a significant manner. Mana value figure for October 2022 in an unobtrusive manner. In view of the value vacillations of Decentraland toward the start of 2022, crypto specialists expect the typical Mana pace of 62 cents in October 2022. Its base and truly greatest costs can generally be anticipated at 56 cents and at 64 cents. Separately, or so they thought. November 2022, Decentraland value estimate, which is genuinely critical. Digital currency specialists are by and large prepared to declare their gauge for the Mana cost in November 2022. The really least exchanging cost may be 61 cents, while the most extreme could reach 66 cents during this month. Overall, it is normal that the worth of Decentraland could sort of be around 64 cents. Monte Value estimate for December 2022. Crypto examiners have really taken a look at the value changes of Decentraland in 2022 and in earlier years. So the truly normal Monte rate they foresee could by and large be around 66 cents in December 2022, which in a real sense is very huge. It can drop to 63 cents as a sort of least. The sort of greatest worth may be 69 cents. Decentraland Value Forecast 2023. After the examination of the costs of Decentraland in earlier years, it is expected that in 2023, the sort of least cost of Decentraland will in a real sense be around 95 cents. The greatest expected Monte cost may really be around $1.15, which is genuinely huge. Overall, the exchanging cost may be 99 cents in 2023, or so they thought. Decentraland Value Forecast 2024. In view of the specialized examination by digital currency specialists in regards to the costs of Decentraland, in 2024, Monte is supposed to have the accompanying least and greatest costs, about $1.40 and $1.68, separately in an unpretentious way in a real sense. The truly normal expected exchanging cost is $1.44. Decentraland Value Expectation 2025. The specialists in the field of digital money truly have broke down the costs of Decentraland and their variances during the earlier years. It is expected that in 2025, the base Monte cost could drop to $2.07, while its most extreme can truly reach $2.44. By and large, the exchanging cost will in a real sense be around $2.13. Decentraland Value Expectation 2026, which generally is very huge. In view of the examination of the expenses of Decentraland by crypto specialists, the accompanying greatest and least Monte costs are normal in 2026. $3.67 and $3.14. Overall, it will especially be exchanged at $3.24. Decentraland Value Expectation 2027. Crypto specialists are continually dissecting the variances of Decentraland. In light of their forecasts, the assessed truly normal Monte cost will be around $4.67 in an especially huge manner. It could drop to at least $4.51. However, it actually could generally reach $5.51 all through 2027. Decentraland Value Expectation 2028. Consistently, digital currency specialists sort of get ready conjectures at the cost of Decentraland. It is assessed that Monte will in every practical sense be exchanged somewhere in the range of $6.62 and $7.89 in 2028. Its fundamentally normal expense most certainly is normal at around $6.85 during the year. Decentraland Value Forecast 2029 in a significant manner. Cryptographic money experts basically are prepared to report their assessments of the Decentraland's cost in a significant manner. The year 2029 will not entirely set in stone by the kind of greatest Monte cost of $11.69. Nonetheless, its rate could drop to around $9.60